Hello, publication students. I'm excited to have all of you in classes here. It is going to be a weird year to finish a yearbook, but we will do it together. In other news, our yearbooks did come in from last year and they look fantastic, so we will have those out for distribution this week, which is exciting. I'm ready to get them out of my classroom. We are going to have to play this day by day, how doing publications remotely is going to work. It's probably going to be pretty slow for the first couple of weeks getting started while we're just kind of getting to know our software, getting to know how to do things, getting our ladder together. We're going to do a lot of brainstorming in class this week and next to really figure out how we're going to make this yearbook awesome. But I have faith that all of you can do it. We have a really big class this year, and I'm really excited to get to know all of you. For those of you who don't know, I am Miss Jones. I teach English, and I'm also the publications advisor. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize myself, and we're going to look at our Google Classroom. Oh, also, this is my website. There's a couple things on here for you guys. Our classroom rules. This is a link to our Google Classroom, and then click here for Google Classroom help. If you need any kind of tutorials, you will find them there. So let's go ahead and take a look at our Google Classroom. This is what it looks like right now. Link to our website. If we take a look over here at classwork, there's a welcome back assignment for you guys that is going to post September 8th at 8 a.m. This is going to be like our attendance assignment. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that, explain the directions to you. It says, welcome back to school, pub students. For your attendance assignment today, I just want you to write a short paragraph, which is like 4 to 5 sentences, introducing yourself to me. If I already know who you are, you also have the option to write a paragraph telling me what you want to get out of publications class this year. Just type these on a Google document, turn them in on September 8th by 2 p.m. That is all I have for you guys today. We are going to be getting off to a slow start getting this yearbook together, but we will do it together and we'll do it as a team. So I'm excited to see most of you in class this year. If you are a remote learner doing publications, bear with me because it's going to be weird. All right, talk to you guys soon and have a good one. Bye.